So now that we've successfully merged our copy branch, that is geeky branch, into our master branch, we don't actually need our copy branch anymore. So we'll go ahead and delete our copy branch. But first, let's go ahead and check how many branches we have that we have successfully created using our git branch command. As you can see, we have created our we are on our master branch, and our geeky branch is still available. So we'll go ahead and delete our geeky branch. To delete a branch, you enter the command git branch -b followed by the branch name, geeky branch, then hit enter. As you can see, we have successfully deleted our branch name called geeky branch. Then git branch. As you can see, we are on our master branch, and our master branch is the only branch available right now. So that is how you delete a branch. Hey guys, this is a quiz to make sure you learned something from the session today. Kindly leave your answers in the comment section. Thank you.